Hello guys, hey! I remember when I was recording the first demo of Expansion Pack for Avenger. You really like it. It was Italo Disco. Yeah? Do you remember? Today I've got something special for you. The sequel, ladies and gentlemen, Italo Disco 2. Get something. Do you like my Italo Disco jacket? I'm too fat. Okay, let me show you something. I've got the controllers here, and these knobs is assigned to these knobs in Avenger, and I've got two buttons here, yeah, and it's linked to the Avenger 2 as macro buttons. Before I will show you the sequences, do you know what I like the most in this pack? We've got a lot of guitars here, guitar loops. Yeah, this is cool, because this guitar can be used not only in Italo Disco. Have a look. Electric funk. Yeah, Italo Disco or maybe funky music. Cool. Pop guitar. Muted guitar. Yeah. I can switch on the half tempo and distorted open guitars. Yeah. But let's go to the sequences. Let's feel this Italo Disco stuff. A night in disco. Play real chords on left hand to feel the 80s vibes. Are you ready? Thanks, Manuel. I feel these vibes. Yeah, because this is by Manuel. Dance department. Dance with me sequence. I've got a nice piano. This is old school piano, but with this quiet, this pad. La, yeah, and this feels. And the 70s disco. Geek. I fell in love. Double jam time. Come on everybody, what? Come on everybody, move your... Come on everybody, move your feet. Okay. This typical Italo Disco. Forza Magica. I can add something into this. Oh, I love this. Good vibes. I've got a chord progression on one key, but one button, and I've got my own chords. Yeah, but this... Midnight Passion. Okay. These effects, so many space in this. This is like complete song. Shooting star. I love this vibe in this pack. Space trip. A little bit synth wave. And add atmosphere. The Last Summer. I like this guitar. Oh, these drums. Let's make it solo. And we've got a video star sequence. Go to the info and you know it. Play the chords with your left hand. Marcel, you created these sequences especially for me. Because I love to play my own chords here. Okay, also I've got another kind of voices here. Okay, I will take it off. This kind of arpeggio. I'm gonna add bass line. And I got a pad. And drums! Sweeter Dreams. I can add kick. Touch my chords. Basses. Italo Disco basses. I can make it funky. Or add FM. Mini Mooger. There's arpeggio here. Go. I can filter it by a modulator wheel. I don't have a modulator wheel here because I've got a joystick. Bad. Bell sounds. Bella donna. Fantasy. The Book of FM. I can play a really nice ballad song on this voice. Not only Italo Disco, yeah? Sustain pedal and. Chords, orchestra. But I can make release longer and oh. A big door. Orchestra hit. Effects. In effects, we've got the jungle room and. But I will switch on the jam button and rising pop. I like this because this is short, 1 bar, yeah? Because sometimes we've got this kind of effects and it's long until the end, but leads. That's yeah. Cool as a background. String organ glory. This is old school voice. Lo-fi strings. Okay, I can make attack a little bit smaller. Killer combo sounds strong. Okay, and piano and keys, and we've got a Broken Dreams. Clavinet. Do I have a funk button here? Oh yeah, now it's a little bit funky. 90s piano. Okay, plugged voices, poco loco. Wooden pizza. Or pizza bells. Pizza, Italo pizza. Synthesizers, like Illuminator. Retro wave synthesizer. And the last category, vocals, voices, yeah? The combo of vocals and synthesizers, like doo-doo choir. Yeah. So, Italo Disco 2 Expansion Pack. I can feel this 80s vibe in this. If you haven't seen my previous Italo Disco demo, you must see it. Let's check this, yeah? A lot of fantastic sounds with 80s vibe. Not only for 80s, a cool guitars, yeah? Funky guitars, disco guitars. This voices works like time travel machine. So, thanks for watching this. Italo Disco 2 for Avenger. Goodbye.